Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have this Tribe Beauty box. It is $34.99 and you get 5 full-size products. As always, I will leave my link in the description if you want to try it for yourself. It is a bi-monthly box and you get 20% off. So let's get started to see what's in here. So I look a little bit different than I did in the intro of this video, and the reason that I do is because I wanted to do something just a little bit different today. So for this Tribe Beauty box unboxing, I'm going to show you what came in the box, and then I'm going to tell you what I thought of the products because I have already used them. So at the end of this video, I will pop an iCard up here with a poll, or you can answer in the comments which way you like the style of video better. Do you like today's style better, or do you want me to go back to unboxing everything in front of you and then doing either a try on during the unboxing or using the palette on a different day and doing a get ready with me? And I can still do a get ready with me with the palette if you want me to. I don't mind doing that. I actually like doing the get ready with me's. Okay, so enough of babbling. Let's get started with what was in here. Okay, the first product in here is a makeup tool. A lot of times we do get a little makeup tool, and this one is by Kaylin Cosmetics, and it's just a little brush cleaner. So you spritz your little stuff on there and then you can clean your brushes. As you can see, I had some stuff on there already on my brush. They need all cleaned. Okay, the next thing in the box is this NoMo Stash. I think this is the cutest tin ever, and I'm really excited to use them. They are 12 hypoallergenic waxing strips for the face. Portable hair removal kit includes post-wax aloe cream, and the tin just slides, kind of like a little gum tin used to. And in here you have your instructions and the aloe cream and then the waxing strips. And if you want to see me try these tonight, then click the link below for my Instagram page, and you might see me try these for the first time in my Instagram stories. So that's really cute. I'll fiddle with that later. All right, the next item in here is the first thing that I tried on. It is by Wonder Beauty. Let's see if it'll focus for you guys. And this product is a lip pencil. So I used the lip pencil, and here is the lip color. So my thoughts on the lip color. I think might be a little dark for me. Let me know what you guys think. It won't hurt my feelings if you do. And if you guys think, I mean, I like the color. It's very fall and wintry, and it's kind of growing on me as I sit here and talk, but I might lighten it up just a little bit with a little bit of gloss, but I didn't want to touch it or do anything different to it so that I could tell you what I thought of it, and you could see it on my lips just the way it came out of the package. So there you go. All right, so the Wonder Beauty. I wish I knew how much that cost. Hopefully I can put it across here for you. Okay, the next two items. This one is It's a primer by Mirabella. I don't need a primer right now, so I did mess up the box a little bit. I'm sorry, but I did not use it. I do not need any primer right now, so I am going to give this to one of you, along with these lashes. I have pretty good lashes, and so I don't use lashes a whole lot. Maybe if I'm going out on date night, I will. But if you would like these two products sent to you, then just put down in the comments below that you would like to be entered to win these. Just a little mini giveaway there. Then the last thing in the box, which is I'm something I'm very excited about is this. It is the Suva Beauty Saffron Palette. I was able to pick this. There was another one you could pick as well, and I'm going to tell you about this one. So this is what the package looks like. It has a humongous mirror, and let's flip you around here. These are all the colors. So I'm going to tell you what I used and where. So let me slide up just a little bit in my chair. Okay, so this is my eye look for today. I did put this coriander color right here. I put it as an all over shade, just as a base shade. Then I went in with this gold color, the turmeric, and as I put it, I'll see if I can get a brush and show you guys. As I was using this and putting it on my brush, it was kind of hard to get it to stick to my brush. It's doing, you know, a little bit better on my hand than what it was doing on my eyes. So I did end up just using my finger, and it went a lot better. So see if you can see the difference. But I really had to pack it on using a brush. Okay, and I did swatch them all for you so that you guys could see all the colors. That's the lip colors, and then these are the swatches. Okay, so I put that color here, and I just packed it on with my finger just a little bit after I used the brush. Then the next color I used was this Sarso color right here, and I put it in my crease line, and it performed really nicely. Then last, or not last, but close to last, second to last, I used this paprika color right here, and I put it on the inner corner of my eye over. So if you can see right there, that's where I put that. And then I did put a little bit like in the corner and then up into like halfway to my crease, just a little bit. Okay, and then I just went back with, to finish it off, I went back with the coriander, and I put it up here just to lighten up my brow bone just a little bit. So, okay, well, that was loud. That was a piece of wood down there. So I thought that it performed really well. I just had to work at this gold color a little bit more, but I don't mind using my finger. I use my fingers all the time to put on eye makeup, so that does not bother me at all. I thought it was a great palette. Here are the swatches again, so you can see all of them. And I'm really excited. I do really like Try Beauty. I like that it is every other month, and I went to cancel it, and then they gave me a pretty sweet deal to keep it, so I kept it for one more month. And I like that we're able to customize the palette in there, so I might keep it around just a little bit longer because I do really like it. And you know, it's really only about what, $15 a month, you know, since you get it bi-monthly, if that makes sense. All right, don't forget to let me know in the comments below which way you preferred the video, and I'll pop the iCard up here for you. You can take a poll if that's easier for you, and let me know, do you like the way I did this video where I went ahead and put on everything and then showed you what came in the box? Or do you like me to unbox it with you guys and then do the try on? Also, if you want these two items, the primer, if you want to try the Mirabella primer, and the lashes, let me know in the comments as well that you want to be entered for that. And I will do a random comment picker. I'll give it about a week just to give everybody a chance to watch the video. All right, if you're brand new to my channel, Thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe, like, and share button. I really do appreciate it. And if you are a tried and true subscriber, then thanks for being my friend and sticking around with me. All right, bye.